Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tuesday Teach. Today we are going to cover content marketing, specifically how to cut the amount of content creation time in half. With that being said, let's get started. Content marketing is the cornerstone of inbound marketing, and today I want to give you just 4 tips on how to use content marketing to attract new leads into your business, whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or you just got on the side hustle track. Let's go to the board. First of all, you have to determine what your marketing goals are with your content. So are you going to give away a lead magnet, which is like a free report or a tool in exchange for your prospect's email address? Or do you want to drive more views to your video series such as this one? Knowing your goals first is going to help you create the ideal type of content that's going to attract your clients and build a raving tribe of fans. Secondly, though, I want you to think about what your audience's problems are. Your content should be developed to help solve maybe their first or second problem to help them over the hump, and then look to you as the expert when they're ready to pay for your course or hire you to take their business to the next level. The next tip that I would like to share with you is evaluate your existing content. Now, if you've been a course creator or an entrepreneur for a while, I'm sure that you may have created something for a past client or given a training, and you could use that PowerPoint deck or video for some existing content. Most often, people don't have to start from scratch, and that will help cut your content creation time, usually by at least 50 to 60%. And then the final tip that I want to share with you today is think about the types of content. You don't have to create content every single week or every single month. I like to tell clients, just create some evergreen pieces of content that you don't have to touch for 1 or 2 years. For example, the free report that I created 2 years ago about the 7 mistakes that you're making with your Facebook ads still is applicable today. So think about types of content that will build a connection or relatability with your audience or help solve one of their problems. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next episode of Tuesday Teach.